And about the ninth hour, Jesus cried with a loud voice, saying, Eli, Eli, lama sabachthani, that is to say, my God, why hast thou forsaken me? May God bless you. Amen. Tin beliang mun hun lai vel chuan Isua chu ring takin Eloi, Eloi, lama sabachthani ti in a au chuaka chu kapathian enga nge mikal san ti na ani keima awang le keima ta na soi lalpan mal som chero se. Amen.